Recent satellite images have unveiled extensive preparations at an Iranian airbase that appears destined to host the advanced Sukhoi Su-35 fighter jets. Recent satellite images show a flurry of construction activity at Hamadan Air Force Base. Analysts have observed the building of large, arched shelters and fortified hangars, structures far too expansive for the aging aircraft currently in service. These new facilities are clearly designed to accommodate larger, more modern fighter jets, most notably the Sukhoi Su-35. Such infrastructure not only provides ample space for maintenance and storage but also reflects a shift in strategic planning. The design and scale of these hangars suggest that Iran is preparing its airbase for a future where advanced fighters will play a central role in its defense strategy. The upgrades at Hamadan are not limited to just new shelters. The entire base appears to be undergoing a transformation. Modern maintenance facilities, expanded runways, and enhanced defensive features such as underground tunnels and reinforced hangars are part of this comprehensive upgrade. These changes aim to protect valuable assets from potential satellite surveillance and missile strikes, ensuring rapid deployment even under high-threat conditions. Experts believe that such extensive work signals a dual purpose, accommodating the new fleet while also bolstering the base's survivability in a contested environment. For decades, Iran's Air Force has operated a mix of outdated US-made aircraft, acquired before the 1979 revolution, and older models from other sources. The arrival of the Sukhoi Su-35 represents a monumental upgrade. With its advanced radar, state-of-the-art avionics, and formidable weapon systems, the Su-35 is set to replace older platforms and dramatically enhance Iran's aerial capabilities. This modernization is not just about replacing old aircraft. It's part of a broader strategy to counter evolving regional threats and shift the balance of power in the Middle East. In addition to receiving assembled fighter jets, reports indicate that Iran is exploring the possibility of domestically producing the Su-35. By securing a license from Russia, Tehran could eventually assemble these advanced fighters locally, with estimates suggesting plans to build between 48 and 72 units. Such a move would mark a significant leap in Iran's military-industrial capabilities. This initiative not only reflects Iran's determination to modernize its air force but also underscores its broader ambitions to become more self-reliant in military production despite international sanctions and logistical challenges. The introduction of the Su-35 into Iran's arsenal carries significant geopolitical weight. Enhanced fighter capabilities provide Tehran with a robust counterbalance to adversaries in the region, particularly in light of long-standing tensions with countries like Israel. Iranian officials have been clear that these acquisitions are meant to deter potential aggressors by ensuring a rapid, technologically advanced response in times of conflict. This strategic upgrade is also a signal of the deepening military cooperation between Tehran and Moscow. As Iran shifts from reliance on outdated technology to embracing modern Russian fighters, the regional balance of power could experience a notable transformation. Military analysts are closely monitoring these developments. The combination of advanced infrastructure upgrades and the imminent arrival of the Su-35 fighters is seen as one of the most significant steps in modernizing Iran's air force in decades. While the full impact of these changes will only become clear over time, the current satellite imagery and official statements point to a robust modernization program that could reshape Iran's defensive posture. Looking ahead, experts expect further enhancements not only in fighter capabilities but also in integrated defense systems as Iran works to protect these new assets against evolving missile and drone threats. With continued investment in possible domestic production, Iran's air force might soon operate one of the most advanced fleets in the region. To sum up, the recent satellite imagery of Hamadan Air Force Base provides clear evidence of an extensive modernization effort. From constructing expansive, purpose-built hangars to the strategic acquisition and potential domestic production of the Sukhoi Su-35 fighter jets, Iran is positioning itself for a dramatic upgrade in air capabilities. These changes are set to impact not only its military posture but also the broader strategic dynamics of the region.